Stay reachable when it matters most. When communication fails, care stops. A single outage, whether caused by a fiber cut, equipment failure, cyber attack, or even a simple call surge, can instantly isolate your organization from the people who need to reach you most. In 2024, a healthcare facility in the Northeast experienced a major fiber cut. Surprisingly, no one noticed. There were no frantic calls to IT, no downtime, and no missed patient communication. When the outage occurred, voice and critical data automatically rerouted over satellite to a backup system designed to restore communications instantly. When fiber service was restored, traffic switched back seamlessly without anyone pressing a button or flipping a switch. How Teleira keeps you connected. That's where Teleira's hosted PBX comes in. It's your always-on, cloud-based backup phone system, ready to take over the moment your main lines go down. What is a hosted PBX? Think of it as your hospital or healthcare network's phone system in the cloud. If your phones ever fail, the hosted PBX in a different part of the country instantly steps in to answer incoming calls, route them to available staff. Keep your organization reachable from anywhere with connectivity. Whether your facility is offline, evacuated, or overwhelmed with calls, your patients and partners still reach a live person who can help. Funded for healthcare. For more than a decade, the government has funded the majority of Teleira's resiliency service costs for healthcare providers through the Universal Service Fund, USF, established by the Telecommunications Act of 1996. Hospitals using this service also meet all CMS and Joint Commission requirements for backup communications, protecting both compliance and patient safety. More than backup, smart POTS line replacement. Teleira's hosted PBX also allows you to replace aging analog POTS lines with smart POTS lines at a fraction of the cost for alarms, elevators, and legacy systems. Why other solutions fall short. GETS, WPS, FirstNet, and even mobile satellite phones can't fully restore inbound communication to an organization during an outage. To understand why, download our 2-page summary explaining how Teleira achieves true communication continuity. How calls reach you during an outage. Under normal conditions, incoming calls travel through your phone provider's network to your facility. But when that connection fails, Teleira's hosted PBX intercepts those calls in the cloud and delivers them to your staff, wherever they are, using call forwarding. Depending on your phone carrier, this feature may be called Automatic Call Forwarding on Failure or Remote Call Forwarding, RCF. RCF also lets you manually redirect calls during an evacuation. All you need is a phone or an internet connection. Setting up before an outage. Beforehand, your hosted PBX is configured with your organization's call menus and routing flows. For example, press 1 for admissions. Press 2 for emergency department. This ensures that when disaster strikes, calls are instantly routed to the right people. Example scenario, a flooded facility. Imagine your facility floods and must be evacuated. Step 1, activate call forwarding. Use your provider's forwarding instructions or follow the steps in your Teleira Emergency Communication Plan, ECP, on the hosted PBX portal. Step 2, identify available staff. Use Mass Notify to automatically call, text, or email staff and confirm who's available to take calls. Set up caller ID in advance so everyone recognizes your hospital as the sender. Step 3, update call groups. In the Teleira admin portal, adjust call groups based on who's available, then test to ensure calls route correctly. Step 4, return to normal operations. If you used remote call forwarding, deactivate it once service is restored. If routing occurred automatically, calls will revert on their own once connectivity returns. Step 5, review and improve. Afterward, review what worked and what can be improved. Your Teleira configuration can be easily updated for even faster recovery next time. Always ready, always reachable. Teleira's hosted PBX was designed specifically for emergency communication resilience. It's flexible, easy to use, and always on. Your communication command center in the cloud. Think of it like a box of Legos for phone systems. Build exactly what your organization needs, then adjust as those needs evolve. No matter the cause, flood, fire, cyber attack, or call surge, Teleira keeps your organization reachable, responsive, and resilient.